my 16-year-old grandson stays with me 2 nights a week now.
Aw.
I'm loving it. I take him to school. I pick him up from school. I iron his clothes. I cook his lunches and pack him. I mean, I do all the mommy stuff, you know. I miss that. I'm a nurturer. I love that part of it. And I took one of his friends home the other day because I had to pick him up from a friend's and I had to take him home. And he goes, and I never met this friend. And he said, I don't want you to think that I live in one of these big, nice houses. You got to turn down this little gravel road. And he lives in an RV park. And it's a really, you know, not the best. And I'm like, I said, hey, buddy, are you not happy with where you live? Are you downgrading where you live? Are you not proud where you live? He goes, well, I'm not saying that. I do have a storm shelter, a tornado shelter if a tornado comes. I said, hey, that's a positive thing. I said, never, ever, ever be ashamed of where you live or what you drive or where your parents work or the parent you don't have or the life you don't have or the shoes you don't have. Be fortunate that you have a roof over your head. You have someone that loves you enough to let them live with you. You live somewhere and you wear shoes and you wear clothes. And I want you to remember one other thing. Just because you're there today doesn't mean you have to live there when you are a grown adult. You can make the change.